One of the things that makes PCM unique in the industry is the size of the parts that we do. Our limitations are typically 5 feet wide, and length isn't an issue. And by that I mean we do 10, 12, 20 feet long. Here's an extrusion part, but from the top to the bottom as this is unrolled will actually be about 12 or 14 feet. Good afternoon, my name is Paul Kruschke. I'm with a company called PCM Products. Our company is in the service of doing photochemical machining. We make very close precision parts. We typically do things as thin as foils, which is typically a thousandths and sometimes less. We do go up to 60, 90, 125 thousandths. There's a sweet spot for our technology. Close tolerance and precision is part of our process, and it's free. And any other mechanical process, you tend to have either outside services or perhaps more secondary operations to get what we get. If it fits us, you won't get it anywhere cheaper. This is a particular part right here that happened to be used for a visor for an Air Force helmet. This part actually was to be a machine process, but because some of the features, they were having trouble where the part would actually break apart. This is a perfectly chemical etched part. We give them the profile, there's no stress in the part, we're able to give them the net feature that they're looking for, and the yield was 100% versus the loss that they were getting with a different manufacturing process. Looking and understanding what a customer desires, there's different ways to attack the part where our engineering department can help them get that net shape at the best cost. We also do secondary plating. We do gold in-house, selective gold, which can save a customer money, where in the industry it's more common to totally plate a gold plate apart. We'll selectively gold plate the part. So there's typically can be a lot of savings there that we know how to do. The other thing that makes us very unique is that we get into the double siding etching process. There's a part that we make that's used in the fuel cell technology. And here, what we're very good at is, when I was talking about the resist material before, we match layers and we etch from both sides. So as this stuff goes through our etch tanks, we're spraying chemicals top and bottom, and that lineup of that material or the artwork has to be dead nuts. We are very good at that. Here's a part that we do that's commonly identified in the medical industry. This is a titanium part. This happens to be for eye socket surgery repair. And these holes are either a specific size for them to screw or suture through. There's no other way of making this as competitively as we can. No other process. We're located out of Titusville, Florida. We're down by the Cape. We've got a great shop. We'd entertain anybody to come down. We'd be happy to give them a tour. And we have a very unique transportation setup. We have trucks literally in every state. They're brown in color, and you may recognize them. They have UPS on them. Everything that we ship is literally available in 2 or 3 days.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.